Hello everyone, this is Ritul Patidar and I'll be presenting about AWS IoT ecosystem. I'll give you a normal walkthrough through all the services that AWS provided related to IoT. So, as we all know, today we have billions of devices and houses, hospitals, and industry, which generates data. So, we need increasingly solutions to collect, store, and analyze the data. So what does AWS does? AWS IoT, Amazon Internet of Things, is an Amazon Web Service platform that collects and analyzes data from internet connected devices, sensors, and connect the data to AWS cloud applications. Now you guys may have a question that why should we choose only AWS for IoT related services? So for that we'll jump to the next slide and discuss that as well. So first reason is it is broad and deep. What does I mean by broad and deep is that AWS IoT provides services spanning from local or edge devices to the cloud through the softwares called AWS RTOS and AWS Greengrass, which help us in collecting data from local devices and analyzing it on the cloud. Secondly, it provides all layers of security and it follows a preventive security mechanism such as encryption and access control to local device data. It also provides or offers services for continuous monitoring and audit of security mechanisms so that you can get alerts and take preventive actions regarding that. AWS IoT also provides superior AI integration. Is that it brings IoT and AI together. It's making devices more intelligent. Is that you can train your models on the cloud and deploy them on your local machines, and it also sends back the data for continuous improvement of models. Secondly, as compared to other offerings, AWS provides or supports more ML related frameworks. Lastly, it is proven at scale is that it can integrate with other AWS services such as Lambda functions, S3 bucket, and SageMaker, so that you can build a complete solution using AWS IoT. Let's see how actually AWS IoT works. Basically, AWS IoT provides us services, edge-based services, which sense and act, and parallelly cloud-based services, which perform storage and computation, and combinedly they both integrate to provide us intelligent decisions. Let's see them in detail. So, AWS IoT provides edge-based software such as Amazon FreeRTOS and AWS Greengrass. And when it comes to cloud, it provides AWS IoT Core, AWS to device management, AWS IoT Device Defender, and AWS IoT Analytics. Now let's see edge-based services in more detail. So when it comes to edge-based, it helps us to securely connect our assets. Secondly, gather data from that and take intelligent actions locally even when internet connectivity is down. And when it comes to cloud-based services, so they help us to quickly onboard large and diverse fleet of devices and maintain the health of that fleet as well as keep it secure. And last, it also provides something called AWS IoT Analytics. Thus, analytics services help us to analyze their IoT data, integrate with Amazon QuickSight for visualization of Amazon SageMaker for hosted machine learning. One more thing about IoT services is that they are serverless. Serverless means we can have a full benefit of elasticity of AWS cloud. Secondly, the services are scalable, that you can dynamically scale as per your need, and they are also pay only for what you use. Is that efficient utilization of all your resources? Unlike physical storage where you are paying for having a computer and not using it, but on cloud you can have that pay as you go. So no matter what business you are in, but AWS IoT can help you to collect data, perform analysis, and run it smoothly. So let's see each of the services in more detail separately, such as edge-based services first. It is a free open source operating system for microcontroller based edge devices. It extends RTOS kernel with software libraries that make it easy to securely connect your low power devices on a local network to more powerful devices on cloud for analysis and action. It also keeps edge devices secure with security credentials and key management, and it keeps your data secure with transport layer encryption. Is for Amazon FreeRTOS with integrated code signing that keeps your devices up to date for more powerful edge devices like gateways or programmable logic controller running Linux. It provides software runtimes called AWS Greengrass. It extends AWS IoT functionality to the edge and installs on your local devices so that they can take local actions, local resources and peripherals. These devices offer your Greengrass device continue to route local messages even when they lose internet connectivity. They automatically sync data and device state securely with AWS Cloud. AWS Greengrass does this utilizing the very same security mechanism and encryption used in the cloud with AWS IoT. And it's updatable, so you can get access to new features and security enhancement in the future. Along with Amazon FreeRTOS and AWS Greengrass, our cloud-based services AWS IoT Core also allows you to securely connect devices to AWS cloud and with each other. It allows you to route, process and act on the data and messages coming from those devices, and it also allows you to deploy and develop applications that can interact with your devices even when they are offline. Onboarding a few devices is easy. Doing so for millions and keeping your distributed devices fleet healthy is much more complicated. That's why we provide AWS IoT device management. It helps you onboard new devices. It maintains catalog of devices, informations and configuration like serial numbers and policies. It also indexes dynamic state information such as temperature or RPM. You can then query device based on both static attributes including firmware versions as well as dynamic states such as temperature in real time. AWS IoT device management monitors your device to diagnose and troubleshoot issues and then allows you to remotely perform over-the-air updates to your entire fleet. Such fleet or individual device security has always been number one concern of AWS. So with AWS IoT Core, you have already built in device authentication and authorization to keep your IoT solution safe. However, with all the device types being deployed across so many different environments and locations, it is hard to always know if your security policies are implemented consistently across your entire fleet of devices. AWS IoT Device Defender. AWS IoT Device Defender to continuously audit the policies associated with your devices. It also monitors your device fleet for abnormal behavior that might indicate a potential security issue. It alerts you if something doesn't look right, like traffic from devices to unauthorized IP address or a spike in outbound traffic. That might indicate that the device is participating in some attack. And finally, through its integration with IoT device management, IoT Device Defender lets you take corrective actions to keep your devices secure. Your fleet health, keep it secure. Key question is, how do you generate value from your device data? That is where AWS IoT Analytics comes into the play. It is a fully managed analytics service to easily analyze IoT data. It can run analytics on massive volumes of IoT data without having to worry about all the cost and complexity typically required to build your own IoT analytics platform. It filters, transforms, and enriches IoT data before storing it in an IoT of demise data store. That way, you can easily query your data using the built-in SQL query engine and visualize your outcome using Amazon QuickSight. Amazon IoT Analytics also supports more sophisticated analytics by preparing your data for machine learning using pre-built Jupyter Notebook templates of machine learning models that can be trained and run using Amazon SageMaker. And to close the loop, you can deploy your cloud-trained machine learning models to an edge device with AWS Greengrass. You can make predictions based on locally generated data without a round trip to the cloud. Application developers can now add machine learning to the devices without having specialized machine learning skills. Finally, to make it even easier to get started with IoT, maybe you just want to press a button to get the hotel staff to pick up your dirty dishes from hotel room, or in the factory floor you want a simple button next to your machinery to call a service team member to fix the machine if something doesn't work. What if you want a simple device to configure to execute a dedicated action and it just works? This is how AWS came with AWS IoT One-Click. AWS IoT One-Click enables one-click creation of a trigger for an AWS Lambda function for pre-configured simple devices like a sensor or a button. With AWS IoT One-Click, you can select and order devices that ship fully provisioned to securely connect to AWS IoT. You can configure and deploy those devices with just one click via simple mobile app to take dedicated actions. And you can easily define attributes and extract reports on your devices from the very same mobile app. With the help of AWS IoT, you can know the state of everything and you can reason on the top of that. Now to summarize the AWS IoT ecosystem in a one go, I would say that AWS IoT provides edge-based services and cloud-based services, where edge-based services contains softwares like Amazon FreeRTOS and AWS Greengrass, which help us to perform the data collection and decision making on local devices. Secondly, parallelly on cloud, it provides services such as AWS IoT Core, AWS IoT Device Management, AWS IoT Device Defender, and something for analysis called AWS IoT Analytics. And this all combines into the bottom services called AWS IoT One-Click, which enables you to perform the whole analysis, storing, and decision making just by a one single click. So that's all about AWS IoT ecosystem or AWS IoT services. Let's move to application of AWS IoT. So there can be various use cases when we come to IoT. First can be home automation, where you can plan to automate all the devices connected in your home, like your AC, TV, fridge, and door as well when it comes to security. And similarly, you can also use IoT for home network management, where you can take actions, or you can make your devices to take intelligent actions whenever needed. You don't have to interfere with that externally. Thank you.